Hii itakuwa mbaya. Guys, hii itakuwa mbaya. Hii ni mbaya. Hii ni mbaya. Hii ni kali. Itakuwa weka kura. Weka kura. Weka kura. Guys, nawaambia hii itakuwa ni more fire. This is Pwea Debate. Pusa New Pusa 2026-2027 debate. Hii itakuwa mbaya. Pale main hall at Presbyterian University of East Africa, guys. We are welcoming you. I Maswichi. I have my client there. Are you among the aspirants? Are you aspiring to be a chairperson? Are you aspiring to be the deputy? Are you aspiring to be the academic and affairs leader? Are you aspiring to be a accommodation and security leader? And among other seats, we already have the seats for the sports, games and sports. Hiyo ishaenda ndugu yangu. Finance ishaenda ndugu yangu. Accommodation and security ishaenda ndugu yangu. Debate iko wapi? Hapa ni chairperson. Tumeshika. Hii debate itakuwa moto. Kuja usikilize mwenye unataka. Mwenye unataka. Guys, your voice comes from you. As Presbyterian students, come, cheer, aspire, inspire, celebrate your guys. A leader that you want is the leader of your choice. The leader who is born to be a leader and not a leader who is chosen or appointed. See you there. See you guys. Maswichi. Subscribe. YouTube Maswichi. TikTok Maswichi. Facebook Maswichi. Bye bye.